So very well said, sir. The main stakeholders are students and professors. But like when I joined Shobhit, specifically the technology leadership part, I felt like the main problem is not the technology, but the professors, as you also said. It's professors, they have a fear to change, fear to adopt to new technology, and fear to that they will be replaced. Because when we enact technology, I feel like the hierarchy like flattens, and when the hierarchy flattens, there is a insecurity in the team, which leads to resistance. So for that, we do not need to, I feel like um, force compliances. We need to enhance trust. So that's how I think we should go ahead. But specifically on the strategy part, we implemented the 80 and the 20 rule. 80 and the 20 rule is we look at the technology. If we feel like the technology covers 80% of our purpose, SOPs, objectives, then we adopt the technology, and the rest 20% we mold according to the requirement. And that's where we feel like the technology leaders need a place in the decision making. So we have a tool, we have Digi, and we are just maintaining Digi just for the compliances. But when we enforce Digi and when we talk about real leadership and change, then I think we need a place in the leadership, because we need a place in the decision making. Because decision making, as in, so let's say the university is strategizing for the next few years, and in the industry there are new technologies, let's say AI or virtual reality, which is being adopted in all the universities. And when the strategy is made and the technology team is not there, it's like instead of being proactive, the university is reactive, as in the industry has adopted and the university has to adopt as soon as possible. Then the university reacts to it. But if the tech team is part of the decision making, then we'll be proactive and we can plan it ahead and do the smoother transition of that technology in the university, taking care of the objectives, SOPs and standards.